Talaga ka nagilangaw na dyan siya, day.
Nakbe? Paris, show me na.
I'm a cherry rice. Got some candies. Put it in the back.
Wow. Lucky. Oh. Bongga ng club. Are you scared of this one up?
It's not the real one. Yes, it is. It's my daddy grandma.
Paris, no, it's not a real one.
It's my daddy grandma.
Look, you have the same face na ko. Hello, babies. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Ate Paris. Oh, Ate Paris. Hey, Ate Paris, say hello here. Welcome back. Oh. Nakabihis na ang dalawa. Hello, baby Celine. Yes. You bored na? You wanna go? Yeah, I know. You've been waiting for so long na? No, mama. Dugayan mo na akong mama. Ay, yes, dugayan kayo mong mama? Oh, sorry, anak. Okay, we're going now. We're going now. We're going na, Ate Paris?
Yes.
Yes? Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
May lakad kami today, kaya nakabihis ang family. Ayan ang ating Ate Paris. Hello! And baby Celine, naka-headband.
And lang.
Look at your hair. Wow. Mama did your hair? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes, Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. Ayan, so in-invite kasi kami guys ni Jerlyn. So pupunta kami sa kanila. Hindi pa kami nakapunta doon. First time to. And then since na lift na yung restrictions, wala na tayong lockdown. So we'll take the advantage. Baka mag-lockdown na naman ulit. Kaya pupunta kami. And then, anong tawag dito? Meron kasi silang parang Halloween party, ganun. Tapos na magla-lunch daw doon. So it's nearly 1 o'clock. We are going. Kasi ito ay iyak na rin. Bored na to siya. Gusto nang umalis. Carry my bag, please, Daddy.
You got some Paris sunscreen?
Yeah, it's inside the bag. So we're going na, anak? Who you're going to see?
Jack. Aliena.
Alina.
Aliena, Jack.
Yeah, are you excited? Show me your outfit, Sabi. Show me your stand there. Wow. So beautiful. I love your outfit. Very summery. Very summery. At ito ang suot ng kanyang sister. Ayan, very summery din. Very summery din ikaw, anak. Si mami niya din ay very summery, guys. Naka-pink, tsaka white shorts. Oh, di ba? Bongga. Super happy that we're able to do it again, guys. Yung makabisita sa bahay. Are you excited na? Ate Paris is very excited to see Jack and Alina na, di ba, last time nandito sila. At ngayon, it's our turn na pumunta doon. And as you can see, nakapag-makeup ang mami nyo. Nakapag-makeup ang mami nyo. Nak na? Minsan lang naman. Minsan lang mag-makeup si mama, oy. Na? Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What is wrong? Abo.
Okay, here you go.
I think we're gonna put it on.
Say thank you, Daddy, for taking it for you.
Thank you, Dave.
Where do I put this?
Just press it. Ayan. So, ang ating baby girl ay nandun na rin. I think she's... I don't know if she's gonna sleep kasi kakagising lang yan. But we gotta make a move now, guys, kasi para before iyak. See you later!
Later.
See you there, Paris!
See you.
It's 1:45 in the afternoon, guys. And kaka-park lang namin sa labas ng kanilang mansyon. And ang ating Ate Paris ay nganga. Tsaka ang ating baby girl doon din, oh. So, I think we found the place. Ayan, I think dyan, oh. Dyan. So, shall we go now, Bubble?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Let's
we'll
go now.
wake the girls?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. I'll take you with us. I'll take you with us, guys. See you inside. We're here. Mata siya diretso eh.
Where's your headband? Yeah. I got it. Yeah.
You excited?
Friends, yeah.
Yay, beautiful girl. Are you able to take the bag, Bob? I'm gonna take baby Selena. Yay! I think that's your house there, honey, because they've got balloons outside.
What's this, Bubble?
You wanna bring that now?
You wanna bring this?
Okay, I'll take Celine. Take Celine out. I'm sure tulog na tulog ang princess. Oy. Kawawa naman. Ay, gisingin ang baby.
Wanna hold that?
The bag suits you, Daddy. Here.
Come here.
Watch out. That is just videoing. Stay here. Stay here.
I think she poo-pooed.
It's alright. We got nappies.
I can smell.
They both did.
You poo-pooed too now? Paris is excited.
Paris and her big girlfriends.
There's balloon.
Kapalins. Hindi naghanda si Jerlyn, oy. Walang pa balloon. I think this is the one. What's the number, Bob?
Huh?
What's the number? Yeah, I think that's... Yeah, this is it. Whoa! Honey! Here! Go in! Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
Hi.
Oh. Ring the bell! Wee-hee! Who's that?
Hi.
Hello.
Wow. What's her name, honey?
Rihanna.
Trick or treat!
Arlene.
Hello!
Hello!
Trick or treat!
Hi!
And
Treat! How are you guys?
Uy, bahok pa ko doon.
Asa mo si Jack?
There.
Amo si
Say hi.
Bilis niya lang today.
I'll give you a... That's why. Ah, sige, okay lang.
Ha? Okay na, okay na.
I take my shoes off, don't I?
In the carpet, yes, but...
Hello! Hi! How are you? Basta gwapa makalimot. Ay, tama lang. Hello! 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 Hi, guys! Hi! Hello, Jackie! Hello, vlog na ba ko, Day? Say hi sa mga vlog, Day. Hi! Kingit-ngit.
I want to put this on.
Wala siya kami birthday ko.
Ambot na, may inay ko basta makalimot. Makalimot, basta gwapa.
Oh my God!
Hoy, kada luto ko mo.
Three, oh.
Two, Daddy. Nagdagdam ko naman siya.
Close.
Wow! Hala, grabe ka. Kuhan kayo, Day. Healthy kayo, Day, oh. Grabe nag... Ay, gosh! Hi, mag-ilis sa mi og kuan, napi. Ay, shush! Nakatulog mong gano'n sa kanan. Good. Ay, bu. Okay. Okay, siya tayo, bam-bam na. Yes.
Salamat mo na.
Hala, tulog ba mo? Hala, buyaga, uy. Hala, grabe daw eh. Okay na siya na eh.
Buyag kita eh.
Ay, buyag ka. Ay, ilang baby. Ay. Hala, oday. Tapos yung papat ng diri ganina?
Wala ko naman yung papa nasa yung friend.
Oh, sa iyo papa ko siya. Dako yung papa.
Pero hindi ko kayo. Liwat sa sayang mga
Yes, anak. Kayo man, anak.
Kaya ang granddad.
Nanguan, nangapuhan. Anak, kisa naghawid sa imo, nak. Kisa nagawid sa imo. Ha?
Gwapo na sila.
O, tabi ako. Ikaw dong. Ikaw dong. Wow, naayang walker bay. Naayang walker bay.
Sing lady, okay na pag baby lagi pagkabatin siya. Kaya mo gamay, mo gulat ka na.
Anak. Oh, what is it you want, Mama? Soriana? Oh, wow.
Jack.
Jack! That's Jack! See? You wanna play with Jack? Kiss si Mommy B. Kiss si Mommy B.
Ready.
I love you, sweetheart.
Where's the chocolate?
Yeah, say hi. Just play, anak, okay? Tyrus, I'll just be there, okay? You call Mama if you need Mama. Play with Jack, Jack. Jack, Jack. What's it, giluto, Day? How can I help? Uy. Uy, wala na lang matulog. Di mong tita sa kanak, eh. Grabe. Okay na ka na, Day. Ala, lamiya na, Day, uy. Hi, how are you? Good to see you.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Oh, thanks for having us. It's the little one. I hope she goes to sleep. Love you, princess. Okay. Nag-ano na sila dito. Oh, nag-ready na.
Slime's right now?
Sige, abalag ko na magawa anak ba? Sige kayo mo. Dapat ka na dito, G. Gani, aking pangalan na. Sige.
Init tayo, gabi nag-oven.
Wala kay Kwan.
Nagigban na asa na.
What ko na tari kay napaso na ba? Sa nabiya sa paso na ba gyud?
Ikaw may ni Paris.
Ah, napagparis ka.
Ayan na lang.
Bahalo ko. Kilala ko kay ko. Ah, sige.
Mahugawan lang niya.
Dapat may Paris po na rin. Baby girl, mas mahal pa na.
Dalan pa ni dito, Day? Kani?
Sige tayo.
Dito yung tabi, kainit.
Para dali lang makumadya.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses.
A few moments later.
Halloween! Happy
Yummy.
Happy Halloween!
Dali na kay gilangaw na dyan siya dai.
Ayan, magkaon.
Good na Jill, baby.
How about this one ako? You want that one? Hello! Ala, buyaga ka kayo, baby. Uy! Uy! Ha? Papa? Hello! Uy! 6 months pa ka o, duha na katuig, ha? For sure. Taro nga, tanaw tayo ng birth certificate, be? This being. Say hi to, anak, your friend. Hi! Ano itong camera? Ano itong camera? Here is the cameraman.
Say hello. Hi.
Didi na dayon, kay bago pa kamata. Ay, may kagpahiyo mo eh.
Sila ni mo daw, oh.
Yung cake na mo, bibi. Bibi? Uy, ginawa ko.
Kaya ito, Alina?
Oh, is that your dad?
Look at Alina.
What happened to your daddy? What happened to your daddy?
Do vampire. Kay Alina, vampire.
No, look scared.
You want the same one? You want black eye?
Do the vampire, Baba, the one in the drawing. The vampire.
Go find how many buckets do we need? The biggest
Hugas
bucket.
for more.
One for Lexi.
I don't have one.
Lexi, look up. Yan na doon ha. Ako sorry, clear up para Wala po yung si Jack, ano niya?
Other baby na ako.
Hello, big boy.
6 months.
Yeah, he's a big boy. Thank you.
Come on, Daddy, come on.
I think my shoes tied on until set. I'm not that baby.
Right there.
Like in doctor, this is the size of a 1-year-old. Size of 1 and 2. Big boy. Siguro, ano na din siya ako? Nearly 10, 11 kilos.
Uy, ginupo pala na sila ni.
10 kilos?
Sobra na siya.
Asa, anak ay mukhang little girl. Marang kasi Nicolas, bako tayo.
Parents, show me na.
I'm gonna cherry rice. Get some candies. Put it in the back.
Wow. Lucky.
Third jab. Third jab booster. Not sure if this is a good thing. Can I grab it?
Yeah, what? Ate Paris gonna go with daddy. Huh? Tagal na? Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 4:30 ng hapon. And kitchen na naman. Kitchen na naman. Nandito ang ating chef.
Happy Halloween, guys! Kalag-kalag in Philippines. Traditional, kalag-kalag. Kalag-kalag dessert.
No, she's making biko. Tagalog ba ako dahil sa akong vlog?
Bilo-bilo.
Tagalog. Tagala ako eh. Tagalogaet.
Ano sabi doon na Tagalog?
Universal ba yung Tagalog, di ba?
English. Ay, dala-day-day ako, land.
Oh, lamig kaya ang latik. Latik. Yum, yum. Uy, ang ating baby eh. Oh. Baby Celine is here. Here you go, my love. Good girl.
Sila. Sila.
Wow, you got a lot. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, don't me.
Hey, everyone put your lollies to this central area. Alright, so put them in the area. Don't mix them up.
Paris, put
Let
it
me go
back.
back
I give
again.
you another one.
Hey, put it back, honey. Put it here.
Yeah, come on in. Put 'em
Okay,
in.
Mama, put it back. Mama, put it back, B. Oh, you do it? Hala, ang daming candies, oh. Wow.
Hi, Paris. Can you take, you and Kuya Rocky take a photo? Yes, Kabila.
Ay, ang ating baby girl. Do you wanna do trick or treat to anak? Honey, look at honey. No. Where's daddy and dito? Oh, you go out with kuya, oh. Go. Go. Take care, ha? You get another bag.
Yeah, Kabi, give me.
Ah, grabe. Na, manambok kita rin eh.
Put it all there.
Wow. So, thank you, tita.
More.
Where's daddy, nak?
Over there.
Ah, daddy is there. Okay.
Come on, Paris.
Rocky, get some chocolate as well. Put it there. Don't worry.
All right, daddy. Daddy, Paris, Bob. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I think our baby is sleepy. Mayroon pang isang baby doon, oh. Laki-laki. 6 months pa daw yan. Hello, Nicholas. Hello. 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 Hello, big boy. Hello, big boy. Ay, buyag yung mga bata, eh. Ang ating luto dito. Walang tao na dito, oh. Nandun sila, nag-trick or treat sila sa labas. Yung mga kids at mga daddy. Yung mama niya ay naiwan. Biko. Oh, yeah.
Punta ni daddy ni mo no?
He's asleep now.
Pa-strip na to buhok.
Bay, sige na, Day. At pakita dali, Day. Day. Oh. Bongga ng club.
Hindi ka namin ako nagabi sa una. Pinapata na Jud.
Ah.
Niya dahil. Magluto sa
Bongga.
Nasaan ang chilina?
Kung pa si Clip, nagluto sa kuwan na, nagluto sa Biko kayo. Ay. Hi, Dong. Hi, Dong.
Hello, tita.
Ay, pagkuhan na. Mabuguba at yung kuwan, camera. Sa bagong. Ha?
Saan mo ganda, oh?
Here ba, oh? Here ba, oh? 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 Buyag siya, di ko maniwang, ano? Ano sa rin mata, ah?
Say hello.
Huh? Kumana man siguro niyang kuwan, ay. Kamay.
Nangutot si Nicholas. Oh, Nicholas. There's another party that we're going.
Hello. After this one. This is. What do you mean song? That's the sound.
May mga wakwak, oh.
What is it?
Hey, take a photo, you guys.
Gwapo ba kada ng mga wakwak?
Take this. Nice.
Gabi, oh, gilang ko ang tanan, day.
Wow.
Cute!
Hi. Wait, mama, nag-thank you.
Thank you. Nakakagod.
Wala man nag-thank you.
No worries. Thank you daw.
That's cute. Are you scared of this one, ah?
It's not the real one. Yes, it is. It's my daddy grandma.
Paris, no, it's not a real one.
It's my daddy grandma.
Look, you have the same face na ko. Hey.
Look her feet.
Are you having fun? Yes?
Why, mommy?
Hello, Tita and Tito. We just got home. Don't cry now. Don't cry. Oh. Kakauwi lang namin, guys. At binihisan. Inano ko siya, parang pinunasan ko siya. Tapos, binihisan ko na ng pangtulog niya. Very sleepy na ito. It's ano na, anong oras na ba ngayon? Late na. 8 o'clock? Yes? Oh. What are you trying to tell Mama? Yes? Okay. Okay. Oh, she's very loud man kayo, oy. Very loud man na ang voice of baby. Okay? And I had to go and clean the bed pa, anak. Huh? I have to clean the bed? Oh, no, sleepy naman na siya. Yes. Okay. Mama's gonna clean the bed now, okay? So you can go to sleep. Oh, yes, my love. Okay, okay. Yes, Mommy is listening. Mommy's listening. Oh. Did you have fun today? Did you? Did you have fun trick or treat? Oh. Alright, alright. Mommy's asking if you had a good day. Did you have a good day? Yes? Oh, that's good. That's good. Ang aming Ate Paris ay nandun sa bath. Ginawa namin ng warm bath para makapag-bath. Kasi na-constipate ang ating Ate Paris, guys. And yeah, warm bath helps, sabi nila. And then kaya natagalan kami sa pag-uwi because we went to the shop as well. Kailangan naming bumili ng prune juice for Ate Paris. Diba na? Yeah, you've been a good girl today. You've been a really good girl today. Were you sleeping on Jack's cot? Hmm? Were you sleeping on Jack's cot? A bassinet? Yes, like a big girl. Yes? Because you are a big girl, aren't you? Ah, you met new friends today. You met titas and titos. You've done well. No. It's the other way around. Tingnan nyo, nagagagle siya guys. Dito lang siya sa bath. I have to take this off na. Your hair na ko. Oop. Okay. Take it off for you. Put it up. Try to put it up.
I'm funny. I'll try.
You're very funny. Are you feeling better now?
Yeah.
Tummy feeling better?
Yeah, my cake a corn. My daughter's one here. Behind.
It's off. You'll have like a curly hair now. Look. Wow. You're so beautiful. Yeah, we'll put your goggles.
It's my eyebrows. Okay.
Is it what?
And I can refresh.
Yeah, it's red because you're scratching it. Well, how look at me?
Do I look beautiful?
Yeah, of course you do. See, you are so beautiful. You have curly hair. Look. This one too. We'll do this side. Now, did you have fun?
Yeah.
To the Jordan's house?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, what?
I did it. I think I need something. I need something for my nose.
You need something for your nose?
I got both.
Wow, that's so cool.
I want something for my nose.